Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, my name is Molly. I would love for you guys to join the family by hitting that subscribe button down below before you guys leave. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be very exciting because I am doing an updated fully furnished house tour. If you guys are new to my channel, you probably don't know what I'm talking about, but I have lived in my dream home for 10 months already. We are almost coming up on my year anniversary of living here, which is just absolutely insane to me. I will have my empty house tour and my first fully furnished house tour in the description box down below, so you guys can go back and watch those and see kind of the transformation that my house has gone through. I do have a couple walls where I still feel like I need to add something, but for the most part, my house is done and I am very happy with how it turned out. I still need to film my beauty room slash office tour for you guys, which hopefully will be coming soon as well. But without further ado, if you would like to see my updated house tour, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So starting here at my front door, I'm going to do a quick overview so you guys can see everything, and then I will go more in detail through everything in just a second. So this is what you see when you come into my house. All right, so now that we are back at the front door, my wreath on my door, my aunt actually made it for me. It is so pretty. She got all this stuff from Joann's Fabric, and I love the way that it came out. It looks like a super expensive wreath, and we got it for under $10, I want to say. So thank you to my aunt. I absolutely love it. Coming to this wall right here, I just have this plaque. You guys can pause it and read it if you want. I have my aunt who passed away right up there because I always like to have her picture up. And then I have a little card from my mom that she gave to me. And then right here below that, I just have a Home Sweet Home little flag that my mom also got for me. Panning back around to this wall, I have this little basket that has some tulips in it, which I have one on each side of my windows. Then we come down here and I just have my little stand that the lamp is on. I got everything here from TJ Maxx, I believe, and then I just have two little baskets for my dog's toys, and then this is just a shoe basket that I keep some random things in. As you can see, my fanny pack is in there for when I take my little puppies for a walk. Coming back this way, as you can see, this is my living room area. My drapes are from Target, if you guys were wondering. I really like them. That is what the plaque above my window looks like. It just says family is everything. I got it from a place called Altered State. So like I said, I do have another tulip basket right over here, and then on this wall, this is my favorite wall in my whole entire house. I did get this from TJ Maxx. I believe that wreath is from Hobby Lobby, and then the two vases on each side are also from Hobby Lobby. I got them for 50% off, and I just filled them with some greenery. So I do get a lot of questions on where my couch is from. It was a little bit hard for me to find a couch that fit in this area because it does look pretty big when you're actually in my house, but when you measure things out, a lot of couches are a lot bigger. So it fits absolutely perfect. As you can see right here, it's like the perfect length, and then it does fit more over here. I got it from American Furniture Warehouse. If I can find it, I will try to link it down below. And then I did also get my coffee table from American Furniture as well. I just thought it went really well with the couch. And then I just have a few little things on top. I got all of these from TJ Maxx. Have some fake flowers in there. And then I just have a little llama with a succulent over there. And then I have my little dog's bed. And then this area rug is from Target. It is a pretty low pile rug, so it's great for pets if you guys have animals that shed a lot, which I do. So giving you guys a little bit of an overview, this is what my living room setup looks like. You guys will have to let me know if you like this wall. I did change that a lot since my last house tour, so make sure to go check out what it looked like before. So moving over to this wall, it is a lot more put together than than what it was in my first house tour. I got a lot of hanging shelves. I got that metal decor right above my TV from TJ Maxx as well. My puppy is for some reason in her kennel. I did not put her in there. She just likes to hang out in there. I do have a blanket ladder on the left-hand side as well. So we are going to start with the left side of the wall. I just have 2 hanging shelves with some little knickknacks, and then I do have some hanging vases. These are from Target. I actually spray painted them silver because they were gold before. Coming down, here is my blanket ladder. I get a lot of questions about this when I post on my Instagram stories. So that again is from Hobby Lobby. Then my entertainment system, I also get a ton of questions on. That is from TJ Maxx, so I apologize, I can't link it for you guys. I did get this really pretty garland from Michaels, I believe. I really like it. If you can't already tell, I have a blush pink tone going on in my living room. Then right above, I have that metal decor that I was showing you guys. And then moving over here to the other hanging shelves, I have 5 hanging shelves on this side. I have a picture of my niece and nephew and then just a few other things. I got this lamp from IKEA, which I really like. And then I have my dog's kennels and another bin for their toys because they have so many toys. Over here is another plaque that I got from Hobby Lobby. You can pause that if you want to read it. Coming along here, I really like this welcome sign. My mom got it for me for my birthday at a little vintage market. It is so cute. I love the pineapple on it. So now we are going to head into my kitchen area, which is hands down my favorite part of my whole entire house. I would do a little bit of an overview for you so you can see what it looks like. So starting on this side, pretty self-explanatory, you guys. I'm not gonna go through a ton in my kitchen, but I do usually keep my laptop right here on my countertop. I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see, but my countertop is really pretty. It has little specks of glitter in it, which is so pretty when the sun hits it. And then right here in the center, I have this candle holder on one of these little Lazy Susan things that is marble. I really like the way that it looks together. And then I have a pineapple candy dish that I just have a bunch of candy in for when people come over. So this is what my island looks like. I do have bar stools. These are saddle bar stools from Bed Bath & Beyond. That was the only place I could find gray saddle bar stools. So if you guys are looking for any, definitely check them out. They always have a 20% off coupon as well. I absolutely love the white in my kitchen. It is so open and bright. I just love it so much. I am so happy that I went with white cabinets. And then I have these really cute mason jars, as you can see here. I believe I got these from Kirkland's, if I can remember right. And then just panning right around here, I have a bunch of different decor. And then I have this really cute little vase with flowers that my mom also got for me for my birthday. Coming over to my little coffee area, I have my Keurig. Next to my Keurig, I have this little marble area. It's like a cutting board. I never actually use it as a cutting board because if you were to cut on this, it would scratch it, but I actually just use it as like a drying area when I do dishes. Coming around to this area, this is my pantry. I do have a wreath on it, which I don't remember exactly where I got it at. I think I may have gotten it at home. So just showing you guys really quickly, it's kind of messy in here, but this is my pantry. Closing that, moving along to here, I have my garbage and my dog's food. Right here in this corner, I absolutely love this little mail holder. I got that from TJ Maxx, and I believe this picture is from Hobby Lobby. Coming here, you can see that on the other side of my island, there's a ton of storage, which I absolutely love so much. Then I have this nice wine cooler, which I got from YOURE, which I am so thankful for. I still have not used it. I actually may give it to my dad just because I don't drink a ton of wine. But nonetheless, I absolutely love it, and it's a nice place for my purse to go when I get home. So now coming to my dining room area, this is what my kitchen table looks like. I got this from Macy's, and I absolutely love the color of it. It is so pretty, and it fits right in with all of my home decor. I do have a few other decor pieces, as you can see, Season Everything with Love, and then I have another one right up here. I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see that. Let me zoom in a little bit. So that is what that one looks like. It says farm fresh milk and eggs direct from farm to you. I just thought that was really cute. I do have some little sconces on each side of this window. As you can see, those are also from World Market. On my table, I just have this cute little tray with my salt and pepper shakers and my little coasters, some napkins, and then I do have this really pretty vase that my aunt also got for me. And then right here in this corner, I absolutely love this sign. It just says home, it has a nice pineapple in the middle. That is from Kirkland's. And then right here on this wall, I have that plaque and a nice clock with a pineapple, which I absolutely love. Coming down to the floor, I have my dog's food and water bowls, and then I have my RoboVac right over there. So now that we are done with the kitchen area, we are going to head down the hallway. If you guys have not seen my room tour, that is what is inside this door right here. So I will link it down below and on the screen here so you guys can go watch that. So right here on the right hand side, I just have this cute home wood plaque that I got from TJ Maxx. On this side, I have this really pretty canvas painting. I believe I got this from TJ Maxx as well. I eventually think I want to put some picture frames on each side of this wall. It's still kind of plain, but for right now, I like the way that it looks. Coming further down, we have my half bath right here, which not much has changed in here. Actually, I think everything's the same. I have my niece and nephew's little gift that they gave to me. And then a little fishy from Mexico. It says powder room. And then the toilet. Nothing too exciting in here. Now that we are done in there, there's another room over here. This is the coat closet, which is extremely messy. I have my vacuum and Swiffer and all that good stuff in there. Nothing exciting. Right here, I just have my pineapple canvas painting that I absolutely love right above my security system. And then opening in here, it's gonna be kind of loud, sorry. But this is my laundry room. I have laundry going, as you can hear. Right here on my door, I just have this nice little flower decor. And then I don't think anything else has changed in here since my last one, but I will show you guys. Sorry again, it's super loud. But that is what my laundry room looks like. We're gonna close this door. Now we are going to head upstairs. So coming up the stairs here, I do have 3 picture frames. The first one is my little baby girl, Zoe. I took all these pictures, by the way. I know you guys will probably make fun of me, but these are my kids, so I have their little portraits framed. Then as you walk up a little more, I have a picture of all 3 of us that I took. And then if you walk up even more, I have my other little baby, Lola. When you are at the landing of my stairs, I have this really pretty glass painting. It looks like you're about to walk into the water, which I really love. I got this from TJ Maxx. And then panning around to this side, these 2 plaques are from TJ Maxx as well. And I am not exactly sure where this one is from. My mom got it for me. So right as you get up the stairs, there is a linen closet here that I keep all of my towels and extra blankets, stuff like that, right in here. And then right next to that, I have this really cute canvas painting that has a llama on it. It is my favorite thing in the whole entire world. Moving on to the guest room, a few things have changed in here. So this is an overview. I really love the bedspread. I got this from TJ Maxx, and all the pillows are also from TJ Maxx as well. Again, nothing has really changed except for this area, which is my niece and nephew's little area here. So as you can see, there's cubbies at the bottom. They have all their toys and stuff in there, and they have their little pictures up here as well, as you can see. So that little area is theirs. I just wanted to have a little area where they could keep all of their toys at my house. And then on this side, if you guys have not seen my first one, nothing's really changed, like I said, but I just have a dresser here. The 2 lamps are from Marshall's. They have pineapples, which you know I love. And then coming right here to this wall, I just have a mirror with 2 pictures on the side. And then I have this little plaque that has a nice saying on it. This closet is absolutely amazing. It's huge. It's kind of like my storage area, so it's not organized at all, but it is very long. There is a window in it, which is kind of crazy. So all of my stuff that I don't really have a place for goes in there. Now coming out of this room, we are going to head into the bathroom area. This is the bathroom that my guests use and my niece and nephew mostly use since they stay over quite a bit. I absolutely love the countertops in here. They look like they are marble, but they are not. I just keep some Epsom salt over here when I take baths. I have a toothbrush holder, just the necessities that you need in a bathroom, soap dispenser, and then I have this really cool glass holder that has all of my Lush bath bombs in it. I keep them in the bags just because I don't want them to like break or anything. Then moving along to this wall, I have 2 pictures that are from TJ Maxx, surprise, surprise. And then my shower curtain is also from TJ Maxx. And as you can see, I have my niece and nephew's bath toys still in the bath because they just recently spent the night. My bath rug is from TJ Maxx as well. It's super comfortable. I absolutely love it. And then right here on this wall, I just have this cute little canvas that says "Make Today Amazing," and it's a marble print. The other thing I wanted to mention before we go out of this bathroom is the cabinets in my bathrooms are gray. So I did go ahead and go with a gray color in the bathrooms. I really like the contrast between the gray and the white countertops. I'm very happy with how it came out. So right outside of the bathroom, I have this little picture frame of me and my mom. It says "I love you to the moon and back," which is our saying. And I have 6 pictures of me and her over the last few years. In here is my water heater, and over there and that other closed door is just electrical stuff, so that's why I didn't open them. And then on this wall, I have a painting from Painting with a Twist that I did. Right inside this door is my beauty room office, and if you guys would like to see a tour of it, make sure to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. So that is it for my updated, fully furnished house tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. If you guys do have any questions whatsoever regarding my house, please leave them in the comments down below as well. I do get a lot of questions on the daily about my house, how I afford it, everything like that. So if you have any questions at all, put them down below and I will make a whole entire video of a Q&A answering them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.